Ring ring. Hello, we have a dead body that I guess he's
What's
not
up,
dead
guys?
anymore.
It's
Okay.
LL60 here. Today we're playing with my friend Logan. You remember him from the
Hi.
last private world video. So we're gonna be showing you the new update.
Okay.
So
So
first we got that. Got this new
by the
sign.
way, this is all in basement. They revamped basement, right?
Yes, they did.
So
By the way, if you just come right here, you press both of these buttons.
secret tunnel.
Oh,
Hey,
by the way,
yeah, I
if
can.
you come in here, you're stuck.
So
let me get the key.
They added trapdoors. Look, how crazy is trapdoors?
Let me just get the key real quick and we'll move on.
Guys, also, I know where a Buckcoin is. Who wants to see where a Buckcoin stash is?
Got the key.
There's a Buckcoin stash right up here. You just have to bounce on the walls. And then there's one right here. Everyone,
get that.
Yeah, you can get that Buckcoin. He didn't have that. I just showed him.
Okay, so we got the key. By the way, if you want the key, you have to go around in that thing, or I'll show you where another key spot is. So if you get another key spot, you want to press that.
There's
one. Jump up here, and then you press that button. Then there should be a button up there, though. See? Like that.
Help! Help! I'm stuck!
There should be a button up there.
Ah! Okay, I'm good.
So then the activate.
I'll grab another key just in case. Shove it in.
Open that door.
Guys, I'll show you where another Buckcoin stash is. Come on, follow me.
Yeah, I know where all the Buckcoin stashes is. There's one
fine.
right here. You just gotta remove these pillows.
Wait, I'll go do the maze, okay?
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna totally help him.
Oh, I'm gonna do the thingy. I hope I don't die. Eek. No. Try again. Let's try again.
That's enough. Bro, you gotta press the last button.
Key.
No, I could have just gave you. You know, I could have just gave you the key this whole time.
Hey, revenge!
See, watch. I could have just gave you the key.
You could have just gave me the key. Oh, fine.
Sigma gat.
Guys, by the way, there's a Buckcoin stash right back here.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm just gonna do something. Super Mega Teleporter's on. What was that?
And if you just want to inside, you wanna.
Hey, do you wanna drink some water with me? Come on, let's go.
That's acid water.
It doesn't taste like water for some reason.
No, this could be a Buckcoin stash. So. Got that one. So fast.
Ow! I poked myself. Guys, there's a Buckcoin stash on top of the waterfall. It's up there, right up there.
Yeah, there should be one up there. I've not done
it
yet.
Wait,
by the way, if you're just trying to trick my viewers,
guys, there's a new bomb. Here it is.
Yeah, it's a acid bomb.
Hey,
that's what.
Hey, do you want to see the new bomb?
Look, yeah.
Huh?
It's supposed to infect you. Bro, where's the Buckcoin? It said there was a Buckcoin.
Yeah, it's right here.
I felt something. Oh, I got it.
Oh! I know how to get the purple key if you want it, okay?
Yeah, we need it.
Huh?
I need it.
Follow me. See, this is where you need to put the purple key.
Fine.
Okay, first, follow me. First, you need to come up here, touch the ceiling, and then you'll hear that noise. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Well, even if you come here, come on. And then once you press the ceiling, you'll come up here. And then come over here. And then up here.
Oh,
and then key. Now we need to go back where the purple key was, right?
Now we need to get a key.
The key. Wait, I'll get it. Good.
I may not ate the purple. Wait, could you give me the key?
Come on, let's go.
I wanted to eat something. I want to see if the key gives you cotton.
Where are you?
Hold on. That is a pillow.
Hello?
But
you good?
Okay, so I'm gonna. Nope, it gives you nothing. Don't try that.
Where
I
are
might
you?
have to cut this video down and make part 2 of so. Did you eat the key?
No, it closed. The door closed. Come on.
Open the door.
Red key.
Now we're gonna get what the key was.
So now you
and
need
this
to
is how
come
you get a
over
buckle.
here into the purple door. Free buckling stack. Oh no, we're stuck in here. No. Button. My arm. Radioactive. Who wants to become radioactive? Come here.
No, not me. Open the door. Why is there a bomb right there?
What?
There's a bomb right there.
I don't know. My headset's low. I have to go. Okay. Bye.
I'll see you later, guys. Like and subscribe.